end, riding into the sunset, not looking back. My whole heart seeking freedom in the eternals. I find my truth. Endless road, my uncertain destination. I follow the trail of the stars under the open sky. My steel horse, faithful companion. On this lonely journey, I am an outsider. Through the golden fields, galloping without stopping. The wind whispers secrets that only I can hear. The mountains watch me, silent witnesses in search of redemption in dangerous curves. Endless road, my uncertain destination. I follow the trail of the stars under the open sky. My steel horse, faithful companion. On this lonely journey, I am an outsider. In dusty bars, I tell stories of pain, of lost loves, of dreams that are gone. My hoarse voice echoes like an ancient troubadour. The melody of the road, my only shelter. Certain destination, I follow the trail of the stars under the open sky. My steel horse, faithful companion. On this lonely journey, I am an outsider. And when the sun sets and the moon shines on the horizon, I know I belong on this road, on this mountain. So I ride with courage, without fear of tomorrow. On the endless road, where my heart is on fire.
5 below. Listen. Ooh, there's Michael too. We just went. He just went. What you call it? Bridge Point in San Mateo. Right? Left side. Meron. Ganda to. Bago lang to. There's a chapel right there. I know, walking distance, downtown. Welcome to our...
Hey guys, visit
that's so sweet. Two cousins are helping one another. Yeah, that's good. All right, perfect, boy. Don't spill my sinigang, man. That's sinigang. Get the what you call it, the luggage first. Luggage. What's your end? Help. I'm here just to videotape you, man. Yeah, no, that's Budoy. Put it.
Yeah, there.
Push it.
Yeah.
Hey, make sure that you lock it. Lock it like this all the way there, up.
See? I told you.
Don't push it hard, bro. You're gonna break it. That's it. With this. Okay, I'm gonna take it out this one because it's gonna ruin your ankle. Make it clear on your space, guys. Always.
Sabi ko, narito ako para video ko lang sila.
Fast. The hard one first, please.
I told you.
Alright, let's. Knock it over here, brother. You're the best of the West. California roll, man. Big one. Watch your back, guys. You guys are good. I got it. Hold up. Big boys. Hey guys, you guys. Whoa.
First floor at fourth floor eh.
Okay.
Which one?
Hindi na tayo nakakuha ng ano eh. Late na daw tayo.
That's too much. Which one? This is mine and Budoy. This one. Kasama yung Budoy.
Ito sa amin. Sa amin to. Dito sa amin ako.
How about this one? The purple
Saan nila?
Yeah. Ito na lang alisin
Yeah.
mo.
Ha?
Ito alisin mo.
Yeah,
Ilipat
ako na.
mo sa kabilang cart.
Which one is
Sabi
this?
niyan.
Ako na.
Sabi niyan. Bakit?
Who's this to? Dito nga tayo. Hindi, lilipat ito.
Eh doon na nilagay ni Budo yung gamit niya. Dati ang lamig. Dati. here. No, Tony will go with you.
Oh, wait. Don't. No.
Dali mo na yan?
No, ilalagay ko dyan. No, katakin mo lang to.
Dali.
Bro, you shot me on the head.
Ito pa. Ito pa kaya Anthony.
Ay, pasok tayo sa... Ang ganda ng hotel, sir. Oo. Right. And may kapihan. Tapos ano? Susunod. Punta na sa kwarto. Nahihatil na natin yung cart. Oh, malapit pala tayo sa... Alright, how does
There's no work. The only thing we eat is this one. Huh? Sinigang and rice.
how's the room, Budoy?
You say McDonald's? No, we're gonna spend money tonight. We're tired driving.
That's
We eat whatever we have. What do you eat? You want mac and cheese? What do you want? No, you need to let Come on, let's go. It's already 9 o'clock though. Come on.
ano mo, room tour, oh. That's Budoy dirty linen. Yung ano natin, yung ano namin pala, tayo ito, banyo.
How about the chocolate?
Ayan. Tapos, tagusan pala. Oh. Ayan. Ayan ang ating gradas ng ilang araw. Oh. Tapos, aircon at saka TV. Okay. That's Vincent and Antoinette.
Food.
There's the food.
This is the rice. How about the soup?
It's right there. Right there.
I mean the margarita. I told you, greener. It's good. The soup, even though the sauce.
Yep, that was the drop off, guys. Have a good night, y'all.
What do we have over here? Oh, the fish. Do you like fish?
I did.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Buday, you like fish? Hey.
Bye, baby.
No.
Where
Put this one. That's yours.
are you going?
Take it out.
Going back down.
Put it
Oh, okay. Bye.
With self-serve.
Back.
Oh. That's the probation? Promotion.
Do you like?
Bye. Ay kasama closet. Alright. Si Marilag from the north, south.
Pupunta lang sa kanila.
Oh.
Makikita. Tatawa ka?
No. Ito saka may malaking rep. Amin na yung laman na yan. Dala na namin yan. Iyan. Saka yung blender dala namin. Kay Pretty Boy. Yan, may sarili ng plato. Saka... Ayan, mayroon pa rin palang corbertas, pambukas, kutsilyo. May mga pare-parnal yan na rin pala.
Aba, magaling-galingan ito. Ito. Oh, basura. So, dishwasher pala ito. Kala ko rep. May kapihan. Taso, baso. Tasa, baso. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Init natin itong ating sinigang na niluto kanina. Yung handra ko nung grumato itong bata ko kanina. Tinala ko yung tira. Ayan. Alright. Ito na rin ako kaming maliit na rice cooker. Ayan. May mangga rin. At saka nakapagbalat na ako ng mangga. May Barrio Fiestang bagoong. Talagang nai-reserve ko ito sa graduation ng bata ko. Alright. Kinakain rin niya ito eh. Sausawan. Tapos may tilapiyang hindi nakain kanina. Ngayon natin titirahin. Iyan. Tsaka itlog na pula. Ayan. Dala na rin pala kaming bigas. Ayan. Mawala na lahat. Huwag lang bigas. Saan natin ito? Itlog na pula. Alright. Mainit na pala. Hante na natin sigang boto-boto sa alimpo. Yeah. Yan ang ating hapunan rito sa hotel. Yan. Bahaw, kare-kare, tolyan lang natin. Hinluto ko kanina. Sinigang na butot-butot lempo, itlog na pula, bagoong, at saka tilapia, at mangga. Yan. Yan na yun. Ay tayo, hapunan.
Kaya mangga. Ito yung umaamoy. Umaamoy.
Hey, Brian, come on. What did you get? Did you go with Target? Oh. Oh, thank you, Brian. Oh, I like this one. Brian. Read my mind, man.
Budoy bring some taste.
Kain na ron.
Alright.
Meron pa ba
Dessert.
kain?
Alam kanin?
Meron pa.
Meron.
That's good, man.
Oh,
Oh man, then my feet hurts.
we went to Target?
Yeah. I'll get this not too far. No. What do you want? No, you don't need it. Just do that. You eat your own.
Ano ba yan? Gaaway pa.
You choose your
No, kill it Budoy. You gotta get tomato.
Budoy, 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 Budoy is
He's a bully.
he's just
Budoy is a bully.
he whatever he eat, he likes to eat it.
Oh my God.
That's why I say, my feet really hurt, bro. And leave now. Alright, this is what we gotta do. You guys, it's you, right? Come here, guys, you do it. You read what's the thing? I don't know how to put that.
Ano, pretty boy.
Yeah. Oh, there's no microwave over here.
Ayun na, ang laki-laki. God.
I said, where's the microwave over here? Over here, so we're good.
No, got
Nangarabit ko na.
man.
Yeah, there's a There's a stove. No, stop.
Nandun sa banyo na.
How much time is it, bro?
Keep it. What's up? Hi.
Ano yun? Yung pinapukpok mo. Ha?
That's 3 minutes.
Para sumabot.
Okay. Yes. 3 minutes you said? Let me
2
see.
minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Steer it, cover it, and let's stand for 1 minute. No, up here. Up here, boss. Open your mouth, sir.
2.5 minutes.
Uy, pagalit ka.
Ano na lang?
Gandaan ka kasi.
Gagamitin.
Gagamitin pa natin bukas yan.
Gagamitin bubuhat.
Gagamitin pa natin yan. Maliligo pa ako dyan. Mas malaki yung kanila.
Ano ka daw?
Tama yun, nilami na sila. Hindi ata nila makita yung susi.
Nga.
Ewan ko saan nila nilagay ni ano, ni Vincent.
Ang gagamitin? Gagamitin mo. Wait up. Sleep over here, don't go out.
Bakit na ka lawak-lawak doon?
Tatapakan ako. Ito. Ano? Dito.
No?
Tatapakan na.
Doon na, sa ano?
No, not dito.
Ito?
No.
Ba't ka naman tatapakan?
Yung magbaba nyo.
Hindi na tayo umayan sa ano? Natulog na sa amin kagabi. Hindi na natayo umayan.
Sleep over here. This is my headrest over here.
God. Parang nang sama matulog sa harap ng salamin.
Okay. Ano believe I'm not.
Wow. Umingles pa siya.
Put the plate. Wala kayong paper plate.
Pero,
Ayan o! Natuka ka na.
Yes, sir. Louis. This is the room. Don't worry about it. You know the good thing on this one? They have microwave. Some big company like this, they don't have one. Crazy, huh, Louis?
Bago kasi ito eh.
How about the kids? Kumain ba sila?
Yeah.
So we cook some rice now. Nah, tomorrow.
Luto ka na para mag-iba yung amoy.
Ha?
Para mag-iba yung amoy dito.
Okay.
Mag-amoy ka.
Kapit ka.
Kaya buksan mo lang yun.
Alin?
Bitara.
Bitang na.
Buksan mo nga yung bitara. Ano pala yung ano eh?
Ayun,
Meron pala pala eh.
Ano?
Ako naman yan. Hindi, tira lang yun eh. Ano yun, tuwalya na lang natira.
Yung sauce nga lang yung gusto nila.
Yun.
Hindi po yung dalawa.
You still want the kare-kare mo doy?
No.
There's more kare-kare in here.
That was
There's no rice though.
then too late. Pasta.
Hear it? Whoa, everything is over here, bro. You can eat. Excuse me. Watch your head.
Budoy, I have plan on
Want to make?
no,
What?
tomorrow
What is it?
we're gonna tackle the breakfast. Alright, you and me.
Roast the breakfast.
Yeah, we'll see what they got. We're gonna tackle it hard.
I'm gonna guess they have bacon. They're probably gonna have bacon.
You know what to do? Bring a lot
I
over
know
here.
hotels. They always have at least 2 months now, right? I guess.
No, bring a lot over here. So at night we eat.
Hindi man ako.
2 minutes.
Dami. Nakal kayo mumu mo.
Good, bro. No. 2 minutes you said. Damn. This is not good.
Hindi ko pa kumain.
Hindi pala ito yung ano ko.
Did you call your dad, Budoy?
And I eat over here. You do good at my bed. And you eat over here.
Gag.
At least it's actually
Doon mo pa ano, may USB ano doon.
Turistang gutong sa inyo. Namuli pagkikita, paalam. Like, share, and subscribe. There's Budoy right there. Oh. Budoy, shout out your dad. Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad. If you're watching this,
Oh, what? What?
I'm not sure.
Don't worry, Dad. You're sad. Budoy, tell him that you're sad.
Why am I? Oh. Well, that is rude.
You're not with your dad. Hey, Budoy, tell your dad you're sad. Come on. Tell your dad that you're sad. Alright,
Antok na
bye.
yan eh.